Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence will truly reshape your career and your financial future? From automated factories to smart technologies, AI is rapidly transforming our world, impacting every industry. But what does this mean for your job, your skills, and your wallet? How can you prepare? Welcome to Science Cafe. Today, we're diving deep into AI's profound impact on jobs and the critical need for financial literacy. AI's most visible change is automation. Repetitive tasks are increasingly handled by machines, boosting efficiency. Think automated customer service or data entry. This frees up human potential for more creative and strategic roles. But AI isn't just replacing, it's also empowering. It acts as a co-pilot, enhancing our capabilities. From AI-powered design software to writing assistants, these tools help us achieve more faster. This shift creates new job categories. Roles like AI ethicist or prompt engineer are emerging rapidly. Existing roles are also evolving, requiring new skills and adaptability. Continuous learning is key. Our feline friend here is even supervising the robots, ensuring everything runs smoothly. With such rapid technological change, economic uncertainty becomes a significant factor for everyone. The skills gap is widening. What's relevant today might be obsolete tomorrow, demanding constant adaptation. Many feel unprepared for these shifts, leading to anxieties about financial stability and future prospects. Our wise cat is trying to balance a stack of coins, illustrating the delicate act of managing finances. This brings us to why financial preparedness is more crucial than ever. Let's start with the basics. Budgeting is fundamental. It's simply tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money goes. Next, saving and emergency funds. A financial safety net is vital for unexpected events. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Income diversification is key to stability. Explore side hustles, passive income opportunities, and continuous skill development to broaden your financial base. Our meticulous cat is counting fish treats, a perfect example of careful resource management. Now, let's look at practical steps for adapting to this new financial landscape. First, skill up. Focus on learning skills that are AI resistant or, even better, AI complementary. Human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are invaluable assets. Second, build your network. Professional connections open doors to new opportunities and insights. Engage in online communities and industry events to stay connected and informed. Third, regularly review your finances. Make it a habit to check your budgets and savings. Adjust your strategies as needed to align with your goals and the changing economic landscape. Our cat commentator with tiny glasses and a calculator is diligently crunching numbers. While we can't control all external changes, we can control our preparation and response. Embrace continuous learning, adapt your skills, and secure your financial future in the age of AI. For more insights into science, technology, and their impact on our lives, subscribe to Science Cafe, join our community, and stay ahead of the curve. See you next time.